Welcome to TSS Associates Guide for the Bosch Generation 2 Mini Split. Today, we'll show you how to troubleshoot a P2 error code. Let's get started. If your unit is displaying a P2 error code on the ODU display and a P6 error code on the indoor unit, the sampling voltage may not be 5 volts, and there is low pressure protection. To troubleshoot, you will need your refrigeration gauges and a multimeter. First, check whether the wiring between the low pressure protector and the outdoor PCB is correct and well connected. If it isn't, then correct the wiring. If wiring is correct and well connected, then check if the low pressure protector is damaged by disconnecting the plug and measuring the resistance of the low pressure protector. If the protector is normal, the value should be 0. If the value isn't 0, then replace the low pressure protector. Set your multimeter to ohms and locate the white Molex with 2 red wires for the low pressure protector. Measure this value across the 2 red wires with the Molex disconnected from the PCB. If the value is 0, then check whether the outdoor ambient temperature is within the system operation range by looking at the chart. If it isn't within range, then stop the system. If it is within range, then check if the indoor fan runs properly in cooling mode. If it doesn't, then refer to the E8 fault code troubleshooting steps defined in section 8.67. If the indoor fan runs properly in cooling mode, then replace the outdoor PCB. Before replacing the PCB, check if the system has the sufficient amount of refrigerant. First, check whether the valve core of the high-pressure valve is open. Connect your suction hose of the refrigeration gauges to the valve core. You should be reading around 130 psi in cooling and 357 psi in heating. If it isn't within range, then fully open the valve core of the high-pressure valve. If the valve core is fully open, charge the unit with the proper amount of refrigerant as defined in the IOM. If the system has the sufficient amount of refrigerant and is still not operating normally, then replace the PCB. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this training video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Have a great day.